how to launch a meme coin and make 170 plus K. Let's just hit play on that. Educational purposes only. So this channel, I've looked around a little bit and it seems like this YouTuber makes quite a few videos just like this. And I'm going to tell you everything he's talking about in this video in about 10 seconds. It's really simple. He's teaching you how to screw over the average trader like you and I. That's basically what he's telling you. He's telling you how to scam the meme coin industry. But again, it's for educational purposes only. Just look at the amount of views that this video have. What does that tell you? That tells you there's going to be a surge of scammers coming into the meme coin industry. But I have a way to tackle that because I'm an honest trader. And I know that you guys that are watching are honest traders too, right? So I'm going to show you a legitimate way how to not only trade and make money in the meme coin industry, but to be prepared for the new breed of scammers that are going to enter the market because of YouTubers like this one that's making the rug pulling system, the scam business, even better for scam artists. So as these scam artists are developing new platforms for cheating honest people out of their money, we have a brand new platform on the market that's targeting that. For instance, I just clicked on one of these random coins right here and you could see that this one was a scam. So it's only 15 minutes old. It only has 3 bars. I'm on the 5-minute right there. So it launched. It went on for about 10 minutes right there on the 15th minute. Boom, it crashed. Why? Because of what he is teaching in this video. He's teaching you exactly step by step how to do that. And we're going to see more and more of this happening. We have 3 sections: new pairs, final stretch, and migrated. So let's just scroll down migrated right here until we find something that is absolutely horrible. Oh, like look at this, 87% bundled holding. That's pretty much what he's teaching over here. It's a bundling bot that will pretend to be real traders making real buy and sell orders. Like for instance, this chart right here. You could see these is buy orders coming in. Of course, there's a lot of sells going on, but there's more buying happening than selling. So because there's more buying happening than selling, the market's moving up. And you know, this is a legitimate coin. So these are real traders that are buying and selling, as opposed to over here, he's teaching about a bot, which is one guy. He's teaching how you can use one piece of software and pretend to be multiple traders buying and selling the coin. And if you are a new trader and you see a chart like this one and you just see it's going up, it's going up, you're going to think there's a lot of people that's buying and selling when it's really one guy that's making all that happen. So what happens if that one guy decides to pull the plug? Like in this situation where we have this 89% bundled holding. So I'm just going to click on this right here, and right away, this doesn't look too good. Of course, we have a nice rally going up here, but why such a steep sell-off? You see, because we were supposed to land around this area for a pullback. You could see we had a pullback right here, and we went up, and we were supposed to continue to go up, but we fell, and we fell pretty hard. Now, I'm not saying that this one is a rug or it's a scam. I'm just saying the fact that I see such a high percentage of bundlers and a not so perfect chart pattern is a red flag. Everything else looks good without me digging too deep into this. But the benefits of this website right here is that you can filter out all the noise from this video that he's teaching. You could filter all of that out without even clicking, not one time. I don't even have my filters turned on here, and I'm just going to try to find something good based on the bundling system. So right here, this one looks pretty good, almost, except for it's only $4,000. I just seen that in the market cap. So I like this. Look at this. This website is so awesome because I could see everything I want to see. I'm just going to zoom in on this one right here and show you why this one looks really good. It's only one migration. I need to open it up. I need to check it out, but one migration is usually a good sign. 100K on the market cap You check out the bundling thing. This thing right here is blocking it, but I could see the bundling thing. It's green. So that's good. Usually, again, what this guy over here is teaching, look at this. It's already crashing. If the bundling thing was high, if it was bad, you would be able to see that right away in the color system at least. So I'm just going to click on this right here and you could see, wow, it's on the 5-minute and that's not a scam. That looks like a legitimate chart pattern right there. You see what I mean? It's like you can quickly filter out all the garbage that is this guy's teaching you. And look at almost 300,000 people is going to try this. And they're trying it, but we're going to defeat them because we know how to filter all that noise out and find the good ones within seconds. Guys, I didn't even do extensive research and I already found a banger. All we have to do is wait for a pullback on this. You know, you don't want to jump in right now. I teach the pullback strategy on this same channel, so make sure that you guys are subscribed. But I just wanted to show you guys how you can fight against the scammers and still be able to make money in this Memecoin game. If you have not signed up for this website yet, go ahead and click the link in the description below. There's bonuses waiting for you guys. Get signed up today.